Hey guys, my name's Sez and I make videos about all kinds of art. Today I wanted to make a watercolor doodle combo picture. So if you're into that, stick around. As you can see, I prepped some watercolor paper with washi tape and then I just dampened it a little bit. Then I just started plopping on some color. Literally, anybody can do this, guys. All I'm doing is making blobs and practicing my watercolor because I'm new to watercolor, and just making light colored blobs, filling it with whatever colors I felt like using. Apparently I wanted blue and turquoise, and you'll see some yellow. Just don't worry about this part. Honestly, have fun. And it's a really nice exercise if you're trying to learn watercolor, to just see how it reacts with the paper and colors. So I had fun doing that, just laying down some color. After I did that, I grabbed a watercolor pencil. You can just use a regular pencil. You don't even have to do this step if you know exactly what you're going to do. I'm just laying out the groundwork for my basic shapes that I want to do for my doodles. So just kind of these radiating waves. Then I just started from the corner and I wanted to do things that I was comfortable with. I wasn't trying anything brand new, just easy peasy doodles. So you can see I did like little petals and I filled in the background. Here we've got kind of the tube slinky looking thing, just going around, just making the half circles around like that. And I'm just edging it, try and separate each doodle with a black line. So at this point, I want to give a quick shout out to Miss Betsi. She has a channel, and recently she's inspired me so much. So thank you so much, Betsi. This is me trying out some of her techniques, some of the things she's shown me and I've learned in her videos. So thanks again for that. Make sure you check out her videos. So you didn't miss much. All I did was draw out those circles there and filled in the background, just different size circles. This next one, I'm trying to do like a checkerboard warpy shape. You can kind of see the radiating, I don't know if that's the right word. The way the lines, they're not straight, they're all kind of curved. And then I just filled in the checkerboard. The next one, I'm not like thrilled with what this one looks like, but it's okay. Just kind of stripey again. So the last part of this picture, I just filled it in with some tangles. So at this point in the video, if you guys are finding this interesting, if you're finding it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. That would be wonderful for you and for me. Anyways, back to the picture. Here I am just cleaning up my edges. Always go back and check your work. Cleaning up the edges, and then I wanted to give it a good, hard, crisp black border. So I just took a permanent marker and edged it with that. I love outlining things in black. I think it looks awesome. After that, then I went and I wanted to add a little bit of depth. So I'm using a graphite pencil here, and it worked okay. The problem is if I was just using regular paper with nothing underneath, it would be amazing. But because I'm using watercolor, I'm still needing to test that out. It looks good. Like for this picture, for the sake of this picture, it looks good. But I do want to test out some things. Like I might start using shading with straight up watercolor again, or something like that. The next part that I do was another great suggestion from Betsi, and that's highlighting with white charcoal, which is a very new tool for me, but I'm enjoying it, and it gives it a really good 3D effect, really makes things pop. So I wanted to remind you guys too, if you guys are interested in any different products that I'm using, I will list some of them. I don't have all of them to list, but you can check my description box for that. Next, I'm doing the big reveal, peeling the washi tape. I love peeling washi tape. I could do it all day long. And that is it. That's the final product. Here's a little look. And you can see in a moment why I suggest using light watercolor, because this is one I did before and I used dark, and I just think it looks too dark. So comparing them together, you can see the difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and stay tuned because I've got more to share. Bye!